Hello, student of English Medium Standard 7. How are you, all of you? Fine. Last time we already learned the unit number 3. I already understood the meanings and the themes of the lesson. And in this video, I am just going to give you exercise, question answer. So take your ball pen, notebook, and do write. Don't forget to write down in homework 5 times, okay? So we are just going to start it. So we are taking first question. What is the intention of the writing these articles? The intention of the writing these articles is to make his children to be aware of advertising. The writer would like the children to grow up alert to the ways people try to sell them item. Question number 2. What is the effect of advertising for things like cigarettes and alcohol? Answer. Advertising for things like cigarettes and alcohol help push children and young people towards the unhealthy behaviors. Right? है ना? Question number 3. What makes it more difficult to protect children from adverse effect on advertisement? Internet and social media make it more difficult to protect children from adverse unhealthy advertisement. Again some questions. Who create advert games? Why? Advertisers create advert games to promote their product. Question number 2. What is Dr. Thomas Robinson? Dr. Thomas Robinson is a professor of Stanford University and a doctor at Lucille Packard Children's Hospital. Number 3. What has Dr. Thomas Robinson diverged from the experiment with preschoolers? The Dr. Thomas Robinson from experiment with the preschoolers has discovered that even a 30-second advertisement of a new product can change the child's performance for brand. Select the most appropriate option from the option given as answer to the question given below. This is ખુશ્બુ કે બાયણું બંધ કરી દો તમારે અને કે વિડીયો ચાલે છે. This is an article about a children be food product advertisement research is to see advertisement. 2. The articles by the Dr. Perry Callas warns us against A. The adverse effect on advertisement on child. B. Doctors misleading children. C. The adverse effect on food product on children. D. Use of TV and internet. तो क्या आएगा ए, द एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑन एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑन चिल्ड्रन। 3. The article writer says that sometimes people who want your trust are your real friend, के are not really your friends, के are dependable people, के डी नंबर आएगा आर यू वेल विशर्स। तो इसमें आंसर आएगा बी, आर नॉट रियली योर फ्रेंड्स। 4. It is more difficult to protect children as children are weak and helpless. बीजू, advertiser use internet and social media. C. Doctors don't treat them fairly. D. Unhealthy food products spoil their health. तो इसमें आंसर आता है बी, एडवर्टाइजर यूज इंटरनेट एंड सोशल मीडिया। फोर इज ऑलरेडी टेकन, इसमें फोर दिया है वापस, बट वी आर नॉट जस्ट टेकिंग, सो लेट इट टेक, नो प्रॉब्लम। इट इज़ मोर डिफ़िकल्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट चिल्ड्रन एज, तो आएगा उसमें आंसर बी, एडवर्टाइजर यूज इंटरनेट एंड सोशल मीडिया। Number 5. Advert game for children are created by advertiser. A. To help the children develop their creativity, B. To develop logical reasoning amendment, C. To promote their product, D. To make them expert as a net browsing। तो इसमें आंसर आएगा सी, टू प्रमोट देयर प्रोडक्ट। 5 में आएगा सी, बराबर। 6 नंबर, वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोडक्ट्स इज नॉट यूजुअली एडवर्टाइज्ड। चलो देखते हैं, शुगर सीरियल, फास्ट फूड, शुगरी ड्रिंक्स के टॉयज। तो टॉयज आएगा क्योंकि ये तो 3 आते हैं ना, शुगर सीरियल, शुगर ड्रिंक्स, फास्ट फूड है। 7 नंबर, Dr. Thomas Robinson says that a 30 seconds advertisement of a new production can change a child's days, performance for brand, physical structure, imagination, power of creativity। तो आएगा ए, परफॉर्मेंस फॉर ब्रांड। Researchers say that the children can't understand the nature of the advertising up to the age of 4 to 5, के 5 to 6, के 7 to 8, के 6 to 7। तो 7 और 8 आएगा, कम से कम 8 साल बच्चे लोग को उसका कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, तो आएगा सी। 9, in our information rich world we need to know A. The messages children are receiving, B. The world is trying to sell them, C. The knowledge children are receiving, या तो D, both A and B। तो आएगा both A and B। Number 10. According to the Dr. Robinson's, parents should make their children aware of A. The use of TV and internet, B. The product that want to buy, C. The game they are going to play, D. The food they are going to eat। तो आएगा B, the product they want to buy। Say whether the following statements are true or false. Advertisements are always advantageous to children. Paul. Advertising for cigarette and alcohol push children towards unhealthy behavior. True. Advertisement on internet and social media have great effect on children. True. Advert game are created by advertiser to promote their product. True. Dr. Thomas Robinson was a doctor and a journalist as well. False. Number 6. Dr. Thomas Robinson has looked into the childhood obesity and its link to screen time. 7. Branded food product get children to taste better. True. Up to the age of 7 or 8, children can't understand the nature of advertising. True. Dr. Thomas Robinson suggests that when a child asks for something, parents should turn them down. False. It is very difficult to keep children away from TV and internet today. True. This is activity number 4. Discuss the question as a class. Listen to the answer of your classmates. First, who paid for this advertisement? The milk product company, means Amul Dairy, paid for this advertisement. Number 2, what is the goal of the advertiser? The goal of the advertiser is to make this product, is Amul Shrikhand, more popular among people so that more people would buy it. Number 3, who is this advertisement trying to pursue? This advertisement is trying to pursue the people in general so that they would be tempted to buy and consume it more. Do you think that the advertiser achieved the goal? Yes, the advertiser definitely achieved their goal because the product has been so popular that many people would like to go to buy.